Big up Crosses TV.
I'm mad things that are going over here across this TV.
Cause Shibby, you're not doing shit. What you do, all of me see you do when I call up my name, I just speak to see you. My name Art. You're giving me obsessed feeling. Call when me no say you call me name. How when me no remember you, me see upon the four you are call me name. Like we always do. If the jerk not fit me a blood clot that have nothing to do with you and you come suck me. Me wear what I feel like. Me have ambition. My life doesn't revolve around hotness. Never. My life doesn't revolve about who look good and who don't look good and what look good. Me no want to be a hot girl. Me want to be a girl who comfortable in a mindset. That me want to be in a life. Me no want to be a hot girl. Me want to be a girl with my mind comfortable. Until me want me can go back. Me no want to be a hot girl. Me no run down hotness. Me no born for hot. Me no shape good enough. Anything me put on for the ill and gully ride for me. Sunday evening 6 o'clock. So what the fuck someone a come? You don't look good. Go suck your mother. Anything me put on for the ill and gully ride for me. 6 o'clock every Sunday evening. Me just wait and chat along my blood clot journey. Like what the fuck? It's you're crazy. You bitches are crazy. You people are crazy. Sick mad pan the sick mad pan the internet. A girl wanna shape good. Shape like carrot, broad body, little belly big. How can she put on something and look good? It's crazy. Me not shape good. Me belly big. So me not going on no tights. Cause the belly don't jump over the pokey so like a shelter. The back broad. Like Johnny Bravo. Ho ho ho. So when me coulda go really put on no and it look good for me. Me not try to my girl and go along with me a blood clot go. And with the pussy clot this. Me not try to my girl and go with me a blood clot go. Now some of me a go. It's crazy. You people are sick and mad on the internet. Somebody when a shape good can't look good in anything at all. No so no mad people. No so no one got blood clot bed. We got call it the free Alex and the Milo. Warm it good for gas. You're not shape good. You cheddar, you put on where you want and go and where your blood clot go. And me case it over and done. I want alone not fault and problem with people. How would they look like? Cause me not get no problem and fault with me. Me will me want to go about my business. If it all up, me try it down. Me fix the two look of black breast time in a one brazier. Try to fling the back in it. Hold on there. GX back. GX. No. Pass the one Red Bull for me. Me try. Your bed from morning. Hold on there. Come sleep, cause you're broke, you know. You don't want no broke boy with show foot alone. Come here, so. Marita black the inconvenient we broke for me now, please. Yeah, black them. Let them go leave. Cause whether me beard or not, that's still not no mad. You guys are mad on the internet. A pure mad people come on TikTok and all about Marsha Kim. Pure no mad. Guys be gonna some money go, no mad on the internet. Cause person wanna shape good. And now go by the factory default. We have to change every 5 years, every 10 years. Could I no worries? So cocky Shibada. Shibada we are batty like a plate of food. Shibada we enjoying them in batty more than an egg sandwich. Me could I look good, sir? No, ma'am. Ma'am, me could I look good, ma'am? Shibada we blood clot willing for them. Batty more than a good egg sandwich. Me coulda look good, ma'am. Wanna be lady, me coulda look good, ma'am. In a what? When me go look good in a me no band stay good. Eh? A girl wanna band shape good can't look good in a nothing. All if she try. Remember, you have a body, you have a hip, you have a waist. You have a flat belly. You have a flat belly fat like 120 like a penny. If a breast them do long, you can draw them up in a strap brassiere. But me not have no blood clot, but you pure black. I put on what I want, put on a go about my blood clot business. I'm never in no pain when I come home. Come in wear tight clothes. I'm in wear clothes to bungle up the belly now. Now the back. But wear them baggy like sheet. So I put on my curtain and my sheet and I go but me know you ain't no trouble with me so good. Char bubbles and clip out a battle shibada. I put on my sheet and my curtain. Them and I go out me know you ain't no argument with me. Don't argue with me put on my sheet and my curtain. I'm a run of them. I'm a scandal bag. You know you argue with me. Cause I never see not even a cocos bag yet for look good. You know the internet that class people are. Me not see a drink one of them yeah, for Belch. Don't think me say that one little buckle of piece. Medicine night. See ya? See me? But you body a class you barely can't swallow. Them a class people and them barely can't swallow. Me never see her drink something and turn to head so. Me never see her do this. Shibada, me never see a ton something by your mouth and open your throat and everything that's around through it flow you just can't swallow and your chest gone. Why when you sick and dead and upon the last set of days them are people them on our run with? Why when you sick and are dead and upon the last set of days them are people them on our run with? Shibada, you are sick. Clearly if nobody see it, I do. You are dead. You go home. Me see it by your brother. You can't swallow nothing. You can't eat nothing. What do you the out of you eat? And before you eat, a people business at the pan. I when a child whole club. R.I.P. is coming. Slowly. Because you can't swallow you then here. The whole is like, Shibada have a big nasty thinking infection in your stomach. You don't have no throat, your throat so you half your mouth supposed to rotten. White teeth can't help you, but papa. Me never see you have cranberry juice. Then see me. Shibada look like enter your swallow, it hurt you. That's what I'm get to overstand. Because I'm a very observant person as a Jemmy. And you don't know. But you're program people, me I watch you keenly. It look like when you swallow, it pain you. Because we never say with a back like, I pay one look at it down at bottom so, and you barely throw some in your mouth so. And barely swallow. And when you barely say you, that's not me not. What about your flaws that you have? You come about people daily. See ya when you Belch. You have to swallow 20 gap for Belch. I said no, I don't want. Just leave me alone, brother. Leave me, make me be. Because you come out long enough time. The people on the internet are hustle. We're hustlers on the internet, we are beg. One money gun, one anat, one wheel. People see we and like we and send you their money out of any content. Out of any context. But also do things where you can do, like Belch. Literally. People see what like we are sending anything out of any context. All if we's a dark shit, somebody see the human being now we and say, you know somebody like that person for who they are. Why you want to take that away? Leave people alone, man. Like, what the fuck? You're crazy, you're mad. Only people mad on internet. On a pesticide. You're mad. Me and my office are found now. We go all that concern you. The piece of followed upon pop. All that are mad yo. The piece of old chair gone down now. In the ground are mad yo. The piece of long time tired bed are mad yo. Leave me alone. Come in a dress to impress. Me put on when me a go and about my blood clot business and my pussy clot should me not ban shape good. Me ban roll up and fall up and mole up. If I put on my piece of clothes and me spray my body, to keep down some of the scent which is not dead scent, me good. You nah let me go, me nah trouble you. And take it a chance you come Rosalie, come suck me. Cause me know me a Dan boy, General. Me know me a Dan pan TikTok, General boy. Me know that. And people come so daily know say me a Dan and General boy. You know why me a Dan and General boy? I own a house a call my name for me soon, you know. Me not look pa uno. I own a call my name for me soon, me no soon. Literally no see a shivada. Me a General boy because me can come for my life. Taps and roses for 2-3 months and not see if you not call me name. But long as you call me name, I go answer you. Cause you not go bully me pan this fuck. You not go bully me. Cause me know you's a nobody. People literally scan batty man. Society look down for your shibada. So me know you's a nobody. People literally scan batty man. A woman that has a man, a female that has a son, now make a pin go around you. Cause me wouldn't want my pin around you. No, you's a batty boy. Society literally scan you. Me I tell you. Can about no one tell you? Me I tell you. Worse no you have AIDS. If you bleed, me no want them hear you. She bother me can't you go to the same cup because you're batty like dog. You take freakiness to another level. Me know you're batty like a dog. Black the moderator. You take freakiness to another level. So all the while you come now. All the while you come now. Want to be seen and want to be heard. Like say, if none of your girlfriend them want them son around you, one go beg Shibby want $200 a day. Which one? You like class people. Sorry. Sorry. Not even them Belch me say now though. You like to class people. All the while I feel like you can come pick on me and bully me on the internet. And come tell me about my blood clot and wanted picking them out the hungry and naked and want some clothes. When you can't run me for your so. You cannot run me for your so Shibby that come in and leave the internet give you. Me have to come to come beg one money gun and one blood clot money gun or 2 little roses or 2 little tops. For me come here poor. Remember you once millionaire. Where do with Green Gables money? Shibby, where do with Green buy pair khaki? Shibby, never company that internet come beg cause you can't get my son for fucking you know. You can't fuck my son. Cause must you know some of a son they can't text it for me so I know so Ivan you have one son you text it for cheese so I know cheese have son you text it for cheese. Cause you know we have sons. We're young. You can't kill off my pity with the BSH and your HIB and your RIWOO Valley. Thank you baby. You wanna text up on the girl with your son. Me not post mine cause you can't see him. Valley. Me not posting mine cause you can't see him. You wanna text up on the girl with your son. You can't get my son Shibada. That's why I come back cause you can't get him. Guys, we're gonna 2 money gun, please and thank you. I'm gonna lock off my blood clot gift you know me a beat you know. You can't get my son for fuck. You just lift pa Rosalie, you can't fuck my son. I get him for fuck you. You mad? You can't get my son cocky for suck. You can't lick out my son batty hole. You mad? So go on with the chances, dirty insipid whore. Slut dog go on with the chances them. You can't get my son. You like text a pangal with sons. You like text a pangal with son. You can't get my son. I'm gonna ask Christ that. And now when I come here and sit down and talk about this and talk about blood clot that Shibada may lead by a mile. You're gonna need wings, baby. Shibada, you're gonna need one of them to catch me up. Wings. This give you wings. Shibada, you're gonna need one of these well cold to catch me up. This. You can't bully me off of the internet. I'm sure about that. You can't bully me. Come in a fear you. Cause you me know you're a Batman and me know you're a scums of the blood clot earth. And me know you're them all shit. You can't blood clot in an argument with me. Me know you're dead. Me know you're dead, last. Me not argue with you. Anybody don't know say you have AIDS don't know you. Me know you have AIDS. But fish come back look say you have AIDS for what kill blood clot fill up. You understand your bestie? Remember your bestie the come back say you have AIDS for what kill fill up. A long time me I follow up your tradition. Long time me I follow up the tradition to you have AIDS. I know me start sit down and when I do the live them, me start sit down and program you how you can't swallow, you can't belch, you can't chew.